So this is the room. Pretty basic. They have the heat actually turned on, which is a really nice touch. Hotel for our anniversary, and we don't know what to expect. We'll see how it goes. The name of the room is a Treehut, so we'll see.
Okay, we're gonna have just a little tour of this little chalet. We have room number 7. This place is pretty nice. Okay, Nat?
Yeah?
Are you gonna introduce anything?
Okay.
You're just gonna...
So, we got slippers, tea kettle, what's in here? Oh, ironing board, couple hangers, and a closet with a sliding mirrored door, which makes the space look bigger than it actually is.
Yeah, that's normal, good design. Here is our room.
There's like a little chair couch thing surrounded by windows so you can look outside.
And a little
Private
balcony. Semi-private. There's another... This is like a duplex. There's another room over there.
Let's see.
And then... Oh yes, we have a heat pump. There we go. Here's our balcony. We can see way down there. They even have a tennis court here. That's kind of funny. And a pool. And a gym. There's another chalet over there. Let's see. Oh, we have... See this? See this? This is important.
It's a ceiling fan.
We have a ceiling fan.
Why is it so important?
We didn't even know ceiling fans existed in New Zealand.
Until we went to church one day.
There's like, we've seen one other in a church somewhere, but but we have a ceiling fan in here. It's great.
There's a pretty nice modern design.
Yeah.
Ooh, the heat.
Yes.
That's awesome.
We've got a real heat pump. I think you know, I bet this place is actually insulated. Even though it's got giant windows, it's probably more insulated than anywhere else we've been before in New Zealand. Maybe. Okay, let's do a little quick bathroom tour. Nice and open. There's the toilet. We've got, ooh, nice big shower. I hope this has good water pressure.
That's important.
That's important. There's our sink, mirror.
Oh, let's check out the coffee and tea stuff.
Okay, coffee and tea look pretty standard.
Coffee here. First things first, when you get settled in a hotel room, you gotta get your hot drinks. So, what do we have here?
We found some interesting stuff. We found some snacks, first of all. Buttery shortbread and that's, you know, hot chocolate. But we found this. Filter coffee. And way back in the corner there we found a little French press.
Right there. Yeah. What about over there?
And then this is, you know, all the regular normal coffee. So hey, there's normal instant coffee and decaf. And there's all the teas, sugar, I think this is pepper. There's pepper in there too. And then, you know, your artificial ones, which I don't do those. Those are nasty. But I think we're set. I might have this right now.